Mrs. Dhillon, uh, as a Sikh woman who immigrated to the United States at a young age, how has your background shaped your understanding of civil rights? And how can that perspective enhance the Civil Rights Division in advocating for all Americans from all backgrounds?
Thank you for that question, Senator. I would put it this way. My faith itself teaches first openness to all, respect for all, and protecting the defenseless. Those are among the tenets of the Sikh faith. And so that is why you see so many Sikhs volunteering in war-torn areas and doing relief work around the world. And so it's actually a tenet of our faith to contribute towards those efforts. So it's been my entire career that I have served in that capacity, motivated by my faith and my teachings in my home. And my career has also demonstrated many instances, as other senators have mentioned, of pro bono work, doing work for people who could not get a lawyer otherwise. And so I'm proud of that work. In the Civil Rights Division, there is a long and storied history of doing exactly the same thing, which is standing up for the most disadvantaged individuals in our United States and ensuring equal justice for all. And so I would definitely be informed by those lifetime experiences, including 32 years as a lawyer representing the underprivileged.
And let me ask you, how have your experiences as someone who's been subjected to racial profiling and abuse, and in particular the incident in 1995 where you and your husband were attacked on a bus, can you please briefly describe that and how that will inform how you will carry out the roles running the Civil Rights Division?
Well, thank you, Senator. In the early 90s, as a newlywed, I got a terrible phone call from the chaplain at NYU that my husband, who was a medical resident in that program, had been shot and brought to NYU. He'd been shot in the chest by a racist who confronted him on a crowded New York City bus during rush hour and told him to get out of his face and to apologize, and used numerous ethnic slurs. And when my then husband refused to apologize, he was shot. And so it really brought home to me that no matter what your education, your affluence, your background, there are instances in which bigots and racists will operate in society to try to harm people, and it is up to lawyers to then stand up to that and make sure that there are severe punishments. Unfortunately, that was New York City, and in that case, the person was not severely punished for shooting my then husband in the chest.
Wow, that's truly horrible.